how to set screen recording to capture media and mic sound on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Advanced Features. After click on Advanced Features, scroll down and click on Screenshot and Screen Recording. After click on Screenshot and Screen Recording, scroll down and you will see Screen Recording Record Sound is here. If you want to set screen recording to capture media mic sound, click on Record Sound and you will see. If you want to set media and mic, click on Media and Mic. If you want to set none, click on None. If you want to set media, click on Media. After selecting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set screen recording to capture media and mic sound on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.